Here's how to fix NVIDIA Geforce Experience overlay not working. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. From the left-hand side, click on Apps, and then select Installed Apps. Use the search box and type Geforce. If you still have Geforce Experience installed, click on the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. Geforce Experience has been replaced by the newer NVIDIA app, so removing the old application can help fix overlay problems. Once you've uninstalled Geforce Experience, open your browser and search for the official NVIDIA App download page. Download the NVIDIA app and run the installation file. Then, follow the instructions on the screen to complete the installation. After installing the NVIDIA app, open it and click on Settings from the left-hand side. Find the NVIDIA overlay option and make sure it's enabled. You can also see the keyboard shortcut for opening the overlay, which is Alt+Z. Press these keys together and check if the NVIDIA overlay appears. If the shortcut doesn't work, try clicking the overlay button directly inside the NVIDIA app to see if you can open it that way. If the overlay is still not working, open Windows Settings from Start menu, then select System, and then click on Display. Scroll down and select Graphics. Under the list of applications, click Add Desktop App. Now, open your C drive, then go to Program Files and find NVIDIA Corporation. Here, open the NVIDIA App folder and then open the CEF folder. Find NVIDIA App.exe and select it to add the application to the graphics settings. Once it's added, find NVIDIA and click on Options and select High Performance from this dropdown. After that, scroll up and click Add Desktop again and navigate to the same NVIDIA folder. This time, find NVIDIA Overlay.exe and add it to the graphics settings as well. Again, click on Options, select High Performance. Once you've completed these steps, restart your computer. After your computer starts back up, open the NVIDIA app and try using the overlay again by pressing Alt+Z. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.